Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make an amazing mega tea, and this one is going to be a raspberry firecracker. And I particularly love the 4th of July because it also happens to be my birthday. So I feel like the whole country celebrates my birthday with me, so all things red, white, and blue are my favorite. Flag shirts, the whole bit. I love them. But before we do that, if you're new here, hi, my name is Coach Sandra, and every week here on this channel we post a brand new Herbalife recipe video for you and an additional video featuring the Herbalife nutrition products that we're personally using in our household, how we're using them, and why we're using them. So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell so you never miss a freshly uploaded video, and welcome to the family. Okay, so let's get started on this firecracker mega tea. So what I have here is like a 32-ounce mason jar. These are fantastic for big drinks like this with lots of flavor. And remember, I'm going to show you guys how to mix this up so it looks red, white, and blue. But if all you want is the benefit of the Herbalife nutrition products that are in here and the flavors that are included, no problem. You don't have to make them layered. You can just put everything in the cup at the same time, mix it up, add ice, you're rocking and ready to go. But I'm going to show you how to make it look red, white, and blue. All right, so what we're going to use today is we're going to start with our Herbalife Palm Berry Liftoff. Now the Liftoff is just an amazing product. It is so helpful. It's loaded with B vitamins, it's loaded with vitamin C, so it's great for mental focus, clarity, energy. It also has L-taurine, which is fantastic for brain health. This is great for short-term memory. This is great for mental energy. And my kids love it for study days when it's time to really cram some information in and you want to be able to retract that information soon. Fantastic study product right here. But anyway, we're going to use the Palm Berry Liftoff. Also in here, we're going to use our raspberry herbal tea concentrate. Now, if you're on a weight loss journey with us, the herbal tea concentrate is fantastic for helping with your metabolism. It also helps your body to break down and digest foods properly so that they get absorbed by the body and they move through the body the way that they're supposed to. There's only 5 calories per serving, and it helps to burn 80 to 100 calories every time you drink it by the energy that it creates in the body. Absolutely incredible product. This also tastes fantastic just all by itself. This is what I start my day with every morning, except I use the original flavor instead of the raspberry flavor. We have 6 different flavors on this to choose from, 6 different flavors on this to choose from. And also in the middle for the white part, I'm going to use our mango aloe concentrate. Now the aloe concentrate, you guys, is also another incredible addition if you're on your weight loss journey because it aids in everything digestive. It helps soothe and calm the digestive tract. It helps keep it healthy so that nutrients are absorbed and expelled the way that they're supposed to be. And it also, like if you're trying to lose weight, it's got to like go somewhere, right? So the herbal aloe is going to help move it through and get things out the way that they're supposed to. It also helps to cleanse out the system very, very gently and very naturally. Incredible addition to your weight loss. And many people, including myself sometimes, put the aloe right into their herbal tea concentrate because it'll give it a little bit of sweetness that it doesn't have otherwise. But I drink my herbal tea concentrate all by itself most of the time. And then the final thing that we're going to put in here to make the blue on the top is our Blue Blast sugar-free flavor enhancer. Drink flavor enhancer. Now this is an Herbalife product. It's not in the Herbalife packaging right now, but this is an Herbalife product. It's available only for preferred members. So if you're a preferred member, you can get a hold of this. If you're not a preferred member, get a hold of your coach and find out how to be. And if you don't have a coach, I would love to be your coach and give you the hookup. So we're going to use the Blue Blast flavor today, but if you don't have that and you don't have access to that, Hawaiian Punch also has these sugar-free stick packs, and you'll use just a half a teaspoon of one of these stick packs in the Blue Typhoon flavor. We'll do the same, almost the same thing for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with a completely dry glass because we're going to put our dry ingredients in the bottom of the glass first. And the Liftoff tablets come as an effervescent tablet, so it's like a quarter-sized tablet in here, but I've already crushed it, and to crush it you just get a spoon from your kitchen and kind of hit it a couple times. It'll crush it up, and the only reason that I crush it is so that it dissolves a little bit faster because I'm impatient. It's true. Okay, so we're going to put our Liftoff down here first. and then 1 serving of the herbal tea concentrate. Again, we're using the raspberry flavor today. This also would be great with lemon flavor, but we're going to use raspberry today. So 1 serving is 1/2 of a teaspoon. So we're going to put that right down in there. And now what we're going to do, swirl that around just a little bit. Now we're going to add just a little bit of warmish water, just a tiny bit, just enough to get that dissolving. And I love my electric kettle. I get questions about that all the time. It gets used all day, every day. Maurice and Keegan both drink all of their tea hot, so all day that thing is cranking out hot water. All right, so we're going to just swirl this around a little bit. Now we're going to set this aside and let it dissolve. We're going to get a separate glass, and we're going to put just about, this is about a 6 or 8 ounce glass, so I'm going to put about 2 ounces of water down in here. That's probably 3 ounces, but that's okay. And then I'm going to use 1/2 of a teaspoon of the blue raspberry. I said blue blast earlier, it's totally blue raspberry. Blue raspberry flavored drink enhancer. And if you guys are making Herbalife drinks at home and you don't have a frother, you might want to grab one. I actually found one at IKEA for like $2, and you can get them on Amazon all day long for 10 bucks or under. You can also pay 30 or 40, but I don't think that you really need to. So now you see how we have this nice blue flavor here, and this is mostly dissolved here. So now what I'm going to do to keep the colors separated is I'm going to fill this whole jar with crushed ice. And the crushed ice or small ice, packaged ice, is important. If you don't have an ice crusher on your refrigerator at home, no problem, throw it in like a Ziploc bag and whack it with a hammer a few times, or a rolling pin or something, just to break the ice up a little bit, because the smaller the ice is, the fewer gaps there are between the ice cubes, and that will help your colors stay separated longer. Again, that is if you even care about the color separation, which I only care long enough to take a picture, and then I mix it all up anyway, so do what you want. All right, so I'm going to fill this up with ice, and I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about this much water in here. And even if I wasn't trying to make a white spot in the middle, I would still put about that much water in there, because it keeps the color you put on the top from mixing into the color on the bottom. That water creates a little bit of a barrier. But today I'm going to try and keep the white spot a little bit white for the red, white, and blue. So the first thing that I'm going to do is pour a little bit of water in there, kind of slow so that hopefully it doesn't mix too much. All right, see how we've got that kind of filled in? And now this is where I'm going to put the aloe, in that middle layer. And you want to use 1 tablespoon of your aloe. So I'm just going to measure that out and put it right there. If you have the smaller jar of aloe, you can also just do 3 capfuls, and that will equal 1 tablespoon. All right. Fingers crossed that we stay separated. And now I'm going to put the blue in right on top, just as slowly as possible, so that hopefully it will stay separated. And there we go. And that's all there is to it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. That helps us out more than you know. Leave us a comment too, because that really helps also. And we do pay attention, speaking of the comments, we pay attention to those comments. So let us know what you've enjoyed seeing here on our channel so far, what kinds of things you'd like to see more of, and any questions that you have. So hopefully we can get those handled in some upcoming videos too. And that's all for now. Happy 4th of July. Bye.